So welcome back. We are going to do Binance API binding with Smart Capital Bot. So first thing you have to do, go to the top left corner of your Binance here. Can you see? So you scroll down, click on more service, then scroll down to the bottom. You will see where they wrote API binding. And you see API management. So it will load. After it load, you see you have to make sure you untick this box first. Untick it first. So you click on it. After you click on it, you scroll down, then you mark this box, you tick this box, you deactivate, confirm, so you confirm. So you have to use your password or fingerprint as verification. So I use my password as verification. So this box has been unmarked already. So now you click on create API. System generated. Then you click on next. You can name it. You can name your API Smart Capital Bot. Then you click on next. So you wait for the page to load. You verify with your password. So now this is the API we just created. So what you have to do here now is that you click on edit first. Click on edit. After you click on edit, then you click on this drop down arrow at the bottom. So you scroll down. So what you have to do now is you enable spot trading, then you enable futures trading. So that's the only two things we need to enable there. It means that is the only access we give to the robot to do for us inside our Binance. It can only trade spot and trade on futures. It doesn't have any access to withdraw because we don't enable withdrawal. So which means it is very safe and secured. Our fund, our money is very safe in Binance. So after you do this now, you copy this API key. You copy it, then you copy the secret key. And you see, you copy the secret key. So I copied my API key first, then I copied my secret key too. So what I have to do now is that now I have to go into my bot to bind this API key and secret key in my Smart Capital Bot. So let's go to our Smart Capital Bot on our Chrome. But before you do that, you can save this first. Before you go and bind in your bot, you can save this. Save first. Make sure you save first. You save here first. So you verify with your password or your fingerprint. So after you saved, so now you can go to your Smart Capital Bot on your Chrome browser. You can go to your Smart Capital Bot on your Chrome browser, log into your bot, log into your Smart Capital Bot. So you click on menu, you go to home, and you see, so once you reach your Smart Capital Bot, click on menu, then you come to Smart Capital Bot area, you click on it. This is where you bind your API key and your secret key. This is where you bind your API key and your secret key. So what you have to do is that make sure you clear everything here. Clear everything there first. Clear everything first. This one too. Clear everything you met in the box. Clear it first. Delete everything. Clear it. Now I'm going to paste my API key that I copied from Binance. So I'll click on this. This is my API key that I just copied on Binance. I will input it. Then this is my secret key. This is my secret key I copied from Binance. I will input it. So after doing that, then you click on select trading bot strategy. You can select smart futures or smart bots, anyone, smart futures or smart spot, but select anyone. So I'll select smart futures. Then you click on bind. It says API successfully entered. Then you click on OK. So now this is how you bind your API with Smart Capital Bot, your Binance API with Smart Capital Bot. So now, the moment you've binded your API correctly, you will be seeing your Binance balance, your Binance future trading balance. You'll be seeing it here. While if you choose if you choose spot on this area, maybe let me say you choose spot. You click on bind, click OK. So your spot balance will be showing here. I hope you get it. And don't forget, on your API management, you don't need to touch this API key and secret key again. Don't delete it again. Just leave it like this, permanent. It will always be there, permanent. The only thing you need to do is just to click on here on trading strategy. You select smart futures bot for future trading signals, or you select smart spot bot for spot trading signals. So that's how to bind API key with Binance and your smart capital bot. Thank you.